In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add an image in WordPress with Elementor. Elementor is a great plugin to use when you want to create attractive pages on your website. It gives a lot of customization options, which makes it easier to edit pages in WordPress compared to the default WordPress editors. To edit pages with Elementor, first you need to install and activate the Elementor plugin. I've already installed this plugin, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, go to Pages and click on All Pages. Here, the default page editor is open, and to edit this page with Elementor, you need to click on this blue button. This is the Elementor editor. To add an image, just go to where you want to add it, then click here to add a section above it. You can add them between any sections. Then just drag and drop the image element in the section. Then click here to select the image. You can change the image size, image alignment, and add a caption from here. Then in the style settings, you can change the image width from here, and the image height from here. Then you can also add a border on the image from here. Select the border type. And you can see in the preview the border was added. Then in the advanced settings, you can add margin and padding from here like this. You can also add motion effects from here. You can also add background, change positioning, and add custom CSS. And that's it. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.